Hey there, YouTubers, it's Luis here. So today I'm actually going to be having Ryan from Clean Air Blasting LLC here. He's going to be wet blasting my toolboxes for the wrecker, for the heavy, the 40-ton wrecker. It's I can't wait for him to be here because he's actually going to be helping me out by cutting down my labor time. So one of the problems that I've had with those boxes is the amount of body filler that they put on it. Certain spots it's 3/8 inch thick. It's all over the box, and quite frankly, I don't have the time to knock it down myself with a needle scaler or harsh chemicals. So he's coming here. He's gonna wet blast them for me, and I actually took some video of him working, and I'm very pleased with the service. Like I said, this was a huge help. He was very reasonably priced. He showed up when he needed to show up, and I highly recommend that if you ever need like rush repair or anything, get somebody to come in, a mobile sandblasting company to come in and just sandblast the rust, because it makes a huge difference. It uncovers a lot of stuff quickly, so you know, and it brings it right down to bare metal without warping panels or anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, at the end of the video, please hit like and subscribe and enjoy. Okay, so this is the finished product of the first toolbox. He's coming back to do the other box maybe next week. He had some issue with his equipment. Shit happens, we get it. But I'm very, very happy with the way this came out. As you can see, he knocked it all down to bare metal. This area was a nightmare up here at the top of the box because they used so much filler that even he was having a hard time blasting through it. So just so you can kind of see how much filler was there, that's about 3/8 of an inch thick. That's from the factory, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But man, did this cut down my workload big time here. And the nice thing about this is that it uncovers, you know, some spots that I'm gonna have to address. Not a big deal. So now the next order of measure for this is to hit it with an epoxy sealer, epoxy primer, because it is going to flash rust. So I'm probably hoping to do that the next day or so. But once again, very appreciative of Clean Air Blasting, where I did a good job.